What's up, YouTube? Back again with another video. We're going to be installing these rain guards on a 2012 Town & Country. Pretty sure it's the same as the Grand Caravan. Same thing. They're going to be going up here along this guy. Alright, so we're going to hook up this one. These little grooves here, I'm going to open this up so you guys can see. There's little grooves right here that hook up to this guy. When I go over that, so that's what it's going to look like at the end. So it says here on the instructions that we're going to clean it with soap and water, wrap it with a clean cloth. We already did that on this side. So you're going to peel off the back side. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and peel this 3M tape off. So go ahead and peel these guys off. Just like that. And peel this one off as well. Peel this guy off right here, just like that. So now we're going to come over here, place it where we want it. Make sure it lines up. Just like that. It's 3M tape, so I'm not sure if it's going to light this up that much, but we'll see what happens. Apply a little pressure everywhere. Just because when it was raining earlier, I rolled down the window at a drive-thru and all the water started going inside the controllers, the up and down windows and all that. So hopefully this will prevent that from happening. Tell me when it's count. 1, 2. All right, so now we're gonna do the back window. So the 3M tape, take it off. Take this bad boy off right here. Oh, nice, 3 of them. Take this guy off. Now this one's gonna go. There's little grooves right here, so just make sure you put it on the right one. I usually just line it up with the top. That's what I usually do. This is the first time I've done this. Take that sucker on there. Let's see what happens. Apply a lot of pressure.
If this magically disappears, it's gone. Reduced to atoms.
Reduced to atoms. Alright. And there you go. Do the same thing to the other side, and that's it. First time I've ever done that. Maybe not that hard, but yeah. Well, we'll see what happens, alright? Went a little bit too high there, but we'll see if maybe line it up. But that looks good. Alright, you guys, have a good one, and I'll let you know when I post another video. Thanks.